What just happened inside ChatGPT? This isn't just a chatbot anymore. It can now chain tools together, meaning it doesn't just answer your question, it figures out how to solve it step by step. It can search, analyze files, write code, execute logic, and combine all of that into a single workflow without you micromanaging it. That's not a feature upgrade, that's early stage autonomy. You're no longer prompting, you're assigning tasks. At the same time, Google is pushing hard with Gemini, and this is where things get aggressive. They're embedding AI directly into work environments. Coding, documents, spreadsheets, all natively connected. So instead of switching between apps, the AI becomes the environment. You don't open tools anymore. The tool is the AI itself. This is Google trying to own your entire workflow. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Claude just upgraded its artifact system, and this is something people are seriously underestimating. You can now generate code, see a live preview, edit it, debug it, and iterate, all inside the same interface. No external ID, no setup, no friction. This is basically turning AI into a development environment. If you understand what this means, you'll realize beginner programmers now have capabilities that used to require full teams. Then there's Runway, and this is huge for creators. Their latest update solves one of the biggest problems in AI video: consistency. Characters now stay consistent across scenes. Motion control is tighter, rendering is faster. What used to take hours of editing and reshooting can now be generated and refined inside one tool. This is where YouTube, filmmaking, and content creation start getting disrupted at scale. And while all that is happening, Perplexity is quietly attacking Google search. Their new research mode doesn't just give links, it synthesizes information across sources, structures it, and guides you through the answer. It's not search anymore, it's decision-making assistance. The gap between finding information and understanding it is disappearing. And finally, Stability AI is pushing image tools closer to professional-grade editing. Better in painting, better control, more consistency. We're reaching a point where AI image tools are no longer just for generating cool pictures. They're becoming actual design tools that can replace parts of Photoshop workflows. Now step back for a second and connect all of this. Every single one of these updates is pointing in the same direction. AI is no longer doing tasks. It's replacing entire categories of software. Coding tools, video editors, research workflows, design platforms, all getting compressed into a single interface powered by AI. And here's the real shift most people are missing. Before, you needed skill to use tools. Now, you need clarity to direct AI. That's it. The leverage has moved from execution to instruction. The people who win in this phase won't be the best coders, editors, or designers. They'll be the ones who know how to think, structure problems, and tell AI exactly what to do. Because these tools are getting dangerously close to doing everything else. And this is just the beginning. If this is what happened in 24 hours, imagine what the next 30 days will look like. That's where things get crazy.